There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to the call, to the flash update call. Like every single Wednesday, we're gonna go through my accounts, through the settings. If you have any questions, please put them into the Telegram chat. So I can answer your questions. The best thing it would be, actually, I will create a Google spreadsheet where you will be able to input your questions through the week so I can answer them on the call every single Wednesday. So right now, I will share my screen with all of you so we can go through the settings, so we can go through everything what is happening this week. First of all, we're going to look at the performance of our account where we are running every single pair on H4, because right now the preferred time frame for running Flash is H4. You can see that this week was a really amazing week already so far. This week we are up for 0.75%, $156. We have some trades open. Right now we have trades open on Euro GBP and silver. So these are like pairs that are not recommended so far, but they're also performing really, really good. I will show you actually the pairs that I'm trading, and I have a $3,000 account right now, and I'm running a little bit more aggressive. I'm running one pair for every one pair for every 500 on my account, and you can see I'm running Euro USD, USD CAD, GBP USD, NZD USD, AUD CAD, and also NZD CAD. So far this week my only trades that I had open was on AUD CAD, as you can see. AUD CAD into the buy position, and it already closed out with profit. Right now, if we go, we have some trade pending orders on NZD CAD also into a buy position. I'm running every single pair on H4 because in my opinion H4 it's much more conservative than H1. Personally, I will run every single pair on H4. H1 for me, it's too aggressive. I don't like a lot of drawdown, a big drawdown, because then we never know when we get out, and H4 it's much more better working in my opinion. So right now you can see here what are my settings that I'm running Flash on. I'm running Flash 0.01. My take profit cash amount it's $1,000, and I have it here trailing stop loss. I have it set to true. And you can see my cash trail starts with 6 and then it trails with $2. I also have max trades enabled, and I have it set to 25. If I would need more trades that Flash opens up more trades, then I would like gradually add more trades. I would go like 5 trades every time if I would need more trades, but so far I didn't need to do that when I'm running on H4. And I'm also trading max trades, pips enabled, 2 trades for every 15 pip range. This is how I'm trading on every single pair. So next week I will also start a new account. I will start a new account, a live account, and that account is gonna be, let's say, in my opinion, like an aggressive account, and I will actually try flash with these recommended pairs on H1, and I will be trading one pair per every $750, and I will limit the trades, and I also gonna limit here max trade pips for 2 trades for every 30 pips, so I can see how that works, if we can get like more trades, because I know that some people would like more trades, but for me at the moment I'm super happy with the performance of Flash on H4. I will also show you my account. Let me just find it. Where do I have it? This is the account, but don't mind the MyFX book, because the broker that I'm using, it's actually archiving the order. So MyFX book, it's like all messed up, and you can see here right now this month we did 2.27%, and I will try to get it like to 5 to 6% that it does on average. So that's why I'm gonna run on H1 to see how it's gonna work. Because if we go look summary trades history, you can see that this week it was only AUD cat, and AUD cat actually closed into the profit. So still, I recommend the settings as you see here on the flash update that you all have the available for beginners. I'm trading Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, NZD USD, GBP CAD, and also NZD CAD. If you go here also to the MyFX book, where you can find all the flash all pairs running on H4, and if you go underneath summary, what I'm like actually looking at, I'm gonna show you which pairs are performing good. It's actually, I put here trades, how many trades each pair had open, and then what I look at it, like you can see here, AUD cat, why I chose AUD cat to run it, because it opened up 89 trades and it made 82 euros in profit. So that means for every trade it does 1 euro. Then you can see here USD JPY, it opened 82 trades and it only made 17 euros in profit. Then you can see USD CAD, it's good, 70 trades, $45 in profit. Then you can see GBP CAD, also like 60 trades, $35. And then you can see how good NZD CAD it's performing, like only 56 trades open and $50 in profit. Also AUD JPY, also like really good trading, 48 trades and $42 in profit. And you can see here CAD JPY actually had 48 trades open and it closed $52 in profit since we started this account. Then CAD Swiss franc, 45 trades and $20 in profit. And USD 30, I'm like still testing it out, like it's amazing, 36 trades only and 148 euros in profit. Then we go here where I saw Euro cat, also really good performing on H4, 31 trades, $49. So what I'm actually like looking at, I'm actually looking like what would be that minimum amount per every single pair that we could add, like one pair for like, I don't know, like maybe $250 on your account, like one pair with 0.01 if we are trading on H4. So this is like what I'm playing around right now with these numbers, so I can figure it out like what it's like the best ratio, one pair per how much on your balance, because I really want to give you like the best performing pairs. And you can also do like your homework here, look at all the pairs, how they're performing, how everything it's working, and maybe you can find like some settings for yourself. I will also open up one account, demo account on H1, and we will put all these pairs also on H1 so we can see how they would perform on H1. Like definitely on H1 we have to go one pair for every $1,000. So I'm gonna open up a 30k account and we'll see how it's gonna go, and then maybe we can find some trades that some pairs that are better working on H1, some pairs that are better working on H4, and then we can like mix things together. This is like my next step that I'm like looking at. And definitely we will also do the back tests, but I much rather like look at the forward testing because it shows me like more realistic data, because I can see it. Like back tests sometimes don't show the whole picture. So this is what I'm thinking about. I also created for you guys. Let me open it up. I created for you, where we have it. I created for you a Flash settings Google document that you all have access to it, where you can see like how to set up, also send it to your customers, how I have set it up for Flash settings, conservative time frame, and then like also I highlighted here so it's easier for the customers to set it up. Also this week in the AP Academy is going to come new setup videos, new explanation videos, like what each setting does. So it's going to be more and more advanced. And here you also have like the login information to my demo account, so you can like follow it on your phone to see how it's actually working in real time. So next week I'm gonna create the H1, and then we can find like some more pairs, and we're gonna be able to see how far we can actually push Flash, like which pairs are better working on H4, which ones are better working on H1, so we can really get like the best thing out of Flash. Because what I want that like the drawdown always stays underneath 10%, because I don't want you to get into a risky situation that somebody could like lose his account. And this is like my only concern, to give you really like the best settings so you're always safe and that you're also making like nice profits. And like what I wanted like for everybody, that like this is not a guarantee, but I would love that everybody on Auvoria Prime would have Flash and do like between 5 to 10% with really low drawdown. So next week I will also send you a link where it's gonna be a Google form where you can put in your questions for Flash, because it's much easier for me if I can prepare like the questions that you have. I can prepare the answers so I can answer you guys much better. But definitely this week was not that exciting because it didn't open up a lot of trades, but I hope that it's still gonna come some trades, because sometimes market it's still really calm, and then once the market it's really calm, you have to know that a really crazy market is gonna come. It's gonna come a stormy market. So I always want to be prepared for the stormy market, because in the calm market then everybody can be and do nice profits. But when it's the storm hits, I want you all to be on the safe side. This is why I'm like recommending everybody to trade on H4. So let me see. So this is it for our flash call. Please tune in next week, Wednesday, 7 p.m. Central European Time, 1 p.m. EST time, Miami, New York time. And let's get some questions going in the flash chat so I can answer to you guys. And I hope everybody has a good trading week, and see you next week. Bye, guys.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.